Hello, very Merry Christmas to you. The big day is here. And what does the weather have in store? Well, it will be quite a windy day for some of us, some heavy rain in the forecast as well, but the weather perhaps turning a little bit more festive by the end of Christmas Day in the form of some colder air. So let's take a look at the picture through this afternoon. A lot of cloud across England and Wales, quite a strong breeze coming up from the south, and it's this rain that starts to push its way in from the west that will give us a wetter end to the day. But some of that rain quite heavy and persistent through parts of Cumbria, so there could be some localised flooding out there through the afternoon. Behind it though, much colder air starting to filter in here. So by the end of the day, temperatures in the northwest of Scotland into single figures, whereas elsewhere will be well into double figures. But as that band of rain pushes its way eastwards overnight, it will turn quite gusty, quite squally for a time, heavy bursts of rain likely. And then as the colder air tucks in, we are likely to see the risk of some sleet and snow, particularly across parts of southeast Scotland. But there is also a Met Office snow and ice warning in force for northern England and much of Scotland by the end of the night. There could be some slippery surfaces as those temperatures dip away, single figures by and large by the time we get to the morning. So it'll be a cold start for some, a few wintry flurries over the hills. I think, though, many areas will start fine with a lot of sunshine compared with recent days. It will cloud over in the southwest, though. We'll see some heavy rain pushing in for southwest Wales, southwest England later through the afternoon, always staying dry at the further east you go. And again, as I said earlier, there could be a few further wintry flurries over those hills. Temperatures struggling, though, single figures for the most part. But as we watch that rain into Boxing Day evening, it bumps into that colder air, and for parts of Wales, the Midlands, particularly over the hills, we could see the risk of some snow. So there is a rain and snow warning in force. We'll see some heavy rain at lower levels, perhaps the risk of a few centimetres over the hills, and temperatures, well, by Wednesday morning, it's going to be quite a cold start with the risk of further patches of ice and some frost. So some of us may wake up to a slight dusting of snow first thing on Wednesday morning. If you have got travel plans, do stay up to date with the latest, and you can find out the weather where you live at the Met Office website. Have a Merry Christmas.